Today I'm doing helicopter tour to Langtang National Park. Helicopter tour is the best way to explore the Himalayas of Nepal. It starts from Kathmandu airport and it is one of the most pleasurable and thrilling journeys to explore the vastness of Himalayas. Soon you take off from Kathmandu airport, your eyes are going to encounter with the Ganesh Himal mountain range, Langtang mountain range, Dorjalakpa and Sisapangma, which is 8,000-meter peak. When you are more close to mountains, it turns out to be bigger than big, and it is definite that you will be overwhelmed. Now you are looking at the Avalanche which washed out entire Langtang village. You get to feast on the awesome vistas of snow-capped peaks, glaciated passes, quaint village settlements, panoramic landscapes, and tranquil green valleys. An exhilarating helicopter flight to Langtang region, filled with the towering snowy mountains such as Langtang Himalayan Range and Ganesh Himal Range, isolated Buddhist monasteries, and picturesque Sherpa, Tamang, and Lama settlements can make it an unforgettable trip of your lifetime. Helicopter tour is one of the best available options who have limited time to get so close to the glittering mountains, almost within touching distance to view the marvelous wonders of this parade of towering peaks that are simply ecstatic when you get to see them with your naked eyes. Hi, I'm here at Kyanjin Gompa. It's a beautiful place and beautiful scenery, but very sadly that almost all the houses are damaged by earthquake. Helicopter tour in Nepal is designed to those who wish to witness the vastness of Himalayan wonder within a short period of time without any physical challenges. I would really do appreciate if you click like button. Thank you for watching my adventure.